Okay, so for this problem, we are implementing our own ADT dictionary with these following characteristics. The first one will be many items are inserted into the dictionary. The second one is it is very rare to search the dictionary for an item. And lastly, it is common to return the dictionary as an array with items in sorted order. And it's asking what underlying data structure would you use to implement the dictionary and why is it best? I said the binary search tree. Um, yes, it can have a worse case than yes, the worst case can be worse than the linked list, but it can also offer a better performance. Um, with a reasonably balanced tree, insert and find is O log n. Um, and building the array would be O n. And it's also just easier to access the keys rather than a linked list with having to go through every single key each time. You just be able to search a lot faster. So that is why I said that the binary search tree would be the best data structure to implement for the dictionary.